There, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today I'm going to go over 3 penny stocks that you guys can consider putting on your watch list. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Also, come check out my Discord. I'm trying to grow my very small community. Hope to see you guys there, and hopefully we can try to make money together. First penny stock I'm going to talk about is PROG. This stock has been rallying for the past couple of days now. It closed at 179. On Friday, it was up 17%. There's very heavy volume. So this is a biotech company that commercializes molecular testing products, and one of its main products is Anatol, which is for women in early pregnancy to screen for chromosome abnormalities. Additionally, PROG has been developing COVID-19 PCR testing services and other screening products. The company's trials include PGN-001, PGN-300, PGN-600, and PGN-0B2. On September 14, the company announced that its patent was approved by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This patent was for the assessment of preeclampsia using assays for free and disassociated placental growth factors. The patent is related to methods, kits, and compositions for detecting and measuring free and disassociated placental growth factor levels in biological samples. So let's take a look at the daily chart. This stock was trading below $1, and then we saw heavy volume. This was September 29th, and then saw over 107 million volume traded. This was September 30th, and then it gapped all the way up to 220 on October 1st. So if this momentum does continue next week, this can definitely try to break $2 again. I was in the stock. If we take a look at my orders, I first got in on September 16th. I bought 1,000 shares at 1.069 and then tried to sell at 1.11, but it didn't get filled and the stock went down to 0.89. So I bought 100 more shares on September 22nd, and then I finally sold it September 29th. I sold too early, and I could have sold it at $2, but we just never know when the stock is going to continue to go up. I am planning to get back in next week if the price action is there. So definitely keep this stock on your watch list. The second penny stock I'm going to talk about is Zomedica. Ticker is ZOM. This was one of the most talked about stocks earlier this year. I actually took a huge loss on this because it just wasn't going anywhere. But recently, there is some good news on this company. So this company focuses on developing clinical products for companion animals such as dogs and cats. Its TrueForma product is a diagnostic biosensor platform for detecting thyroid disorders in these animals. And currently, Zomedica has a collaboration agreement with Celsi Incorporated to develop and commercialize products to detect cancer in animals. On October 1st, the company announced that it has acquired Pulse Veterinary Technologies. The business was acquired in an all-cash and stock transaction of $70.9 million. Pulse Vet is a company that creates hydraulic shock wave technology to treat various veterinary patients. Currently, PostVet is the market leader in the equine space with 1,500 systems in use globally. The CEO, Robert Cohen, he stated, as previously indicated, following our fundraising efforts and the establishment of a business development capability, it has been our goal to complement our TrueForma product platform and to accelerate the growth of Zomedica overall by strategically investing to expand our product offerings, technologies, and product development efforts. We take a look at this daily chart here. Back earlier this year, it went to a high of 291 before coming down all the way to a low, this was 0.45. So on Friday, this stock gapped up to a high of 0.62. We saw very heavy volume that day. If this momentum does continue, we might see this price go much higher. Again, this is a penny stock, and all penny stocks have risk to it. I didn't sell when I was at a profit beginning of this year, and I lost all my profit plus my investments. So before buying penny stocks, options, cryptocurrency, please conduct your own due diligence. Okay, let's go to our final penny stock. The third penny stock is BEST. This is a China-based company that specializes in supply chain and logistics technology solutions for its customers in China. As reopening efforts continue, related stocks, especially those involved in supply chain management, could be on your watch list, and right now, upcoming earnings could be a source of speculation. This comes after a mixed quarter last quarter. An upbeat outlook from management sheds some brighter lights on the potential outcome of last year's operation. The CEO stated, "Our global business continued its growth momentum with parcel volume in Southeast Asia increasing 140.7% year over year. Given the supportive industry regulatory environments and continued strong e-commerce growth, we are optimistic that our strategic refocusing plan will position us to deliver improved operating and financial results in the coming quarters." Also, this stock is one of the short squeeze stocks to watch for. It has a float short sitting shy of just 30%, and one of the catalysts that's coming up is its annual meeting on October 20th. If you take a look at this daily chart, it did reach a low of 0.93, and ever since then, it's been slowly rising at 1.91. It did try to break this resistance, but couldn't. We did fall back to a support of 160. So definitely keep this on your watch list. If we do see momentum and if the annual meeting does go well, this stock can definitely go much higher.